Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the MoKo Case. Oh, it's fit for the new iPad 8th generation, 10.2 inches from 2020. And, of course, it fits to the 7th generation from 2019. It's an iPad 10.2 case with stand, soft TPU, translucent frosted back cover, slim shell for the iPad 10.2 inches. Auto wake and automatical sleep mode is enable or disable. Yeah, in this case, we choose the navy blue version. Of course, there are so many others versions out there, light, rosy, gold, black, or green, then purple. Oh, purple I like. Red, sky blue, night green, then special, the coreopsis, then the flowers blossom, the fragment flowers, the peach blossom, or the pink green flower pattern, or the rhombic datura, or the various flowers. But in my case, it's a navy blue version. Compatibility. Designed exclusively for iPad 8th generation and iPad 7th generation. With the models A2270, A2428, A2429, A2430, A2197, A2198, and A2200. Do not fit as tablets, of course. Access to all features and controls. We have an adjustable angles, strong magnetic connections to create a stable viewing stand for our tablet. Two angles are provided for satisfying our viewing and typing needs. Avoid any point pain and free your hands for other entertainments. And we have the auto wake and sleep version. Built-in magnetic strip automatically wakes or puts our tablet to sleep when the lid is open or closed. It protects and extends the battery life because of the automatical wake up and sleep version, of course, not because an external power system. It comes with an excellent quality, made of durable PU leather exterior, soft microfiber lining, and coverage with soft TPU back shell. This case provides total full body protection against fingerprints, shocks, scratches, and dust. And its simple fashion design. Slim and lightweight hardback designs adds minimal bulk while protecting our precious device. The translucent frosted back cover allows us to see the icon through our favorite color. A variety of colors and designs fashions our life. Oh, that's really beautiful, as you can see. It's a customized case for the new 10.2 inches iPad 8th generation and the iPod 7th generation too. Custom designs for our present iPad 8 and 7 generation. Ooh, well built to protect our iPads for years to come. And we have two viewing angles. The three-fold design enabled the case to double up as a stand in dual standing position. And it's slim and lightweight. Ultra slim and lightweight design brings our device a stylish new look and offers great protection without losing its modernity. And a clear and flexible TPU materials. Translucent TPU back cover won't hinder the original tablet beautiful design and allows us the device to shine through an elegantly case. And exquisite workmanship. It protects against bumps, scratches, and dust with smooth texture PU leather and soft microfiber lining. It's really awesome to get the iPad in position into it. It's so easy, as you can see, and it protects our iPad 8th generation and 7th generation too. This is the MoKo case, and it fits for our iPads. 10.2 inches with case and stand, soft TPU and frosted back cover. Slim shell for our iPads. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.